I'm back once again, guys. Right, this one is for all of you experiencing crashes and dev errors. If you haven't already, check out the Disinfix video, the blue screen death one that I've just previously posted. That one, do that one initially, and then if you're getting errors with, say for example, Call of Duty, we're going to use because this one's quite a big one at the minute that keeps getting a lot of errors. Just quickly try this one. It may or may not work for you. For me, I don't get any crashes whatsoever with COD, so I don't know what this big palaver is, but I have seen some stuff out there. I've been reading, what fixes things and what doesn't, what works for people and what doesn't, and sort of assist it. And I did actually eventually get one dev error on mine, which I managed to solve in 30 seconds. Right, first off, start here. If you are getting dev errors, obviously, I imagine you've tried verifying your games. Well, sometimes that doesn't work because if it doesn't detect the actual file is corrupt, it's not going to replace it. So it'll just skip past it, and you could potentially just carry on with the same files in there. So the best thing you can do, really, if you're really not getting rid of the errors, and you come into the sort of end of your tether and you want to just start all over, I personally would just uninstall the game, um, and reinstall it. But first off, if you're going to reinstall your game, what you want to do is come to here and just find this path here. Go to local disk, program files 86, and then find your Call of Duty. And once you've uninstalled it via here, by that, just simply just delete whatever's in here. It's probably something in here. If you've tried reinstalling it previously as well, and it's still getting them same errors, chances are it's probably some random data files in here or whatever. I don't know. Well, I've seen this happen multiple times. It does help a lot of people. So just try that one, and it should help. If not, go back to like I said, the Disinfix video I've got uploaded just previous to this one, and try that one first. Restart your PC, then try this, and if not, then maybe try your graphics card drivers. I know GeForce Experience, the actual application for me, causes a lot of issues, so I tend to just look for the drivers on the Nvidia website and just download it away from that, and I just get rid of GeForce Experience. But that's my experience on it. Um, I don't get any errors, so I think there's something in GeForce Experience and maybe the graphics card drivers that's doing it as well. But just try this. It may work for it, it may not. Let me know in the comments if it does or if it doesn't. If it does, awesome. If it doesn't, let me know, and I will keep digging around the internet while you struggle to play, unfortunately. But yeah, hopefully it does work. Let me know if you like the content. Thumbs up. If you didn't like it, thumbs down. Just let me know what you think to it.